Got some tip roast. Here's how I'm cooking these roasts. So I took them, cut them in half, just so you get that marinade all the way through. You're going to want to use some kosher salt for tenderizing and flavor. Got some stubs, liquid smoke, whatever brandy you want. Just your standard pepper grinder, onion, garlic powder, chili powder. I put about a tablespoon each into each bag here. So there's about, I'd say about 3 pounds in each bag. And then I had some of the seasoning. It's pretty tasty, so I just mixed it in last time. And then threw in a little Coke. And then also I've got some marinade in the fridge here. World Harbor's authentic Jamaican style jerk. And do whatever you want. Pick some flavorings. If you've got some steak seasoning you like, pick your own steak seasoning. Add some different things into it. I'm not going to say this is the end all be all, but it was delicious. If you've got some seasonings that you like to put on your meat, go for it. Try it out. Nice thing is when you cut it up and put it into different bags, you can mix and match, pick whatever flavorings you like. So try it out a couple different ones. If you have a bigger piece of meat, stick it in smaller bags, and then you can flavor each individual one. So I'm going to pour some of this on there. We're going to let this set overnight and then throw them in the freezer. And then when we're ready to cook, I can just pull them out, let them thaw. They'll end up marinating even more. So there's my tip. That's what I did to cook these roasts on the campfire, and they turned out awesome. Let me know how it turns out for you. And don't forget, you want to get this sealed up, get all the air out of it. I had a little bit of a leak at the top because I had some kosher salt just stuck in the zipper. If you have that issue, you got to clear that out or replace the bag. If you got holes in it, you got to replace the bag because you want to make sure that this liquid is all over the meat. And if you can flip it while it's in the fridge, flip it. That's going to get all that marinade from the top to the bottom. You want to make sure that it is completely covered. In the video I've got, we cooked some of this bacon and then just stuck it in some of the bacon grease just to flash sear it, stuck it over the campfire. It turned out awesome. Mom did the same thing. She just cooked it on the grill. Turned out awesome as well. So if you know how to cook meat, just make sure it's up to temperature and enjoy.